Now that those fundamental things have been done, we can come down to the next section, which is the scheduling. If we want to publish our post immediately, we can go ahead and do that. But if we want to schedule it for a certain date and time, let's say in this example, I want to post it on Saturday morning at 7:15 because that is a time where historically engagement is the best. We can do that accordingly simply by clicking on the map and choosing a date, as well as just hovering your mouse over the times for the hours and the minutes, and then just entering in the time that you want to have your post appear. However, in this example, we're just going to publish it immediately, but you may see right down at the bottom there that the scheduled post is indeed active.